For today's response to reading, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Today we're going to be looking at a Venn diagram comparing two of the fairy tales that we've read. The two fairy tales that you will be looking over is Snow White and Toads and Pearls. Toads and Pearls is from the book that we read earlier, Brave Red Smart Frog, A New Book of Old Tales. So, remember, a Venn diagram has similarities and differences, and for this Venn diagram, you are going to be comparing characters, setting, plots, and messages from each of the story. This is what it'll look like. So, there's already boxes shown for you here that you need to fill in. Characters of Snow White, the setting of Snow White or where it took place, and the plot of Snow White shall be in these three boxes. For the story Toads and Pearls, you need to write all the characters here, the setting here, and the plot here. I want you to find three similarities between both stories of Snow White and Toads and Pearls. Once you have all of these white boxes filled out, make sure you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.